Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today for this video. My name's Nigel Brett, I'm Sales Manager here at BenQ UK. I'm also Product Champion for the InstaShow range of wireless presentation systems. Today we're going to run through the unboxing of the InstaShow WDC20. Now this product comes with two buttons which are HDMI but draw USB for power, but also you can connect to the receiver wirelessly through iOS or Android. So let's just take you through the unboxing process now. So, as we can see, it ships with two buttons, HDMI for video and audio and USB for power. One button, two buttons. Also ships with a receiver, power button at the front, at the back connectivity, underneath a bracket and also points for putting the aerials in. Within the next layer we have the plug and power lead. We have a USB cable. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 aerials. We have a Velcro strap and screws for the bracket. We have a USB cable for touchback, interactive touchback technology through PC and Mac. And we also have a power switch. You will also receive a cradle for those to go in. So now we've unboxed the unit, let's just show how easy it is to actually install the WDC20. So firstly, HDMI cable, we've already connected to the monitor. Plug that into the back of the unit. Power, and obviously the plug. So the device is now powered up. So let's install the aerials. So while I'm putting these aerials in, just to let you know, this is a peer-to-peer wireless network. It does not jump onto your corporate network. So any customers, end users, visitors that you've got coming in to do a presentation, it doesn't jump onto your corporate network. So for security purposes, it's ISO 27001 rated. And also we have our own CVSS security rating on there. So the unit's all powered up. As you can see on the screen here, it shows you how to connect via the notebook using the buttons and also how to connect via the Wi-Fi. Download the InstaShare app to your device, connect to the Wi-Fi when that loads up, and then we're ready to go. So let's just grab one of the buttons. So grabbing the button, we also have an extra button on the side which enables you to do quad split screen sharing. So let's plug in the USB for the power, plug in the HDMI for the visual and audio. Now that button's powered up, and what it will show you on the monitor, we've gone through the first stage where we're now waiting for the solid green light, which should take about 45 seconds to do, and then number 3 will light up. We'll be able to present directly from the button onto the screen. It's as simple as that. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's a nice and simple product to use. If you want any more information on it, please do go through to benq.co.uk and we'll be able to help you out. Many thanks.